Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable or enable the shuffle on the lock screen with the pin numbers that are shuffling. Once you enter them, you can disable that, and well, we'll see that in a moment. Let's go to the settings. Now go to the next page and go to advanced. Now disable it. Once it's disabled, of course this increases the risk of someone seeing your pin, so you're doing it at your own risk. You can see now it's in this easy order. If I enable pin shuffle again, then if I turn it off and turn it on, I didn't mean to power it off, you can see there are shuffle numbers and they will shuffle each time. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.